What are we doing here, Rai?
Tell Daddy what we're doing.
You tell us, Mama.
We're saying that Santa Claus is out with the letters to Santa Claus.
So we sent letters yesterday.
Sent letters to Santa Claus, and if the post elf came and got the letters, then there should be a candy cane inside. Riley, come look. Is there a candy cane? Hold on, don't touch it.
I told you.
Hey, there's two of them. One for you and one for your sister. Hey, show them to me. Show me what you got. Show me. Megan.
How do you open these things?
Sophie.
Jojo, what'd you get?
I told you.
What'd you get, Joe?
You were right.
Joey, what'd you get?